Hello everyone. This application is all about daily stock forecast analysis. This module will help organizations to create a daily forecast report for the inventory. This module is compatible with both the community and the enterprise version. This is for Odoo 17 enterprise version, and now I will show how this application will be working. After installing this app, first we need to go to the inventory module. Under the inventory, we need to go to the reporting. Under this, we need to go to the inventory forecast analysis. Clicking on that, stock forecast analysis pivot view will be displayed with all these information. If you want to check the stock forecast analysis, then clicking on measures, the cumulative quantity and the quantity will be shown. Cumulative quantity is nothing but the running total of quantity at each point. It shows the sum of all the previous transfer quantity and current transfer quantity. And if you want to check with the quantity, you can click on quantity, so the quantity will be displayed of that particular product. If you want to check the count of that products, then you can click on count, so the count will be also shown here. Right now I'm selecting the cumulative quantity and the quantity from this particular measure, and here from the total you can select the quantity and cumulative quantity based on the product category, internal reference, location, warehouse, and date. So, based on all these filters, you will be able to get the stock forecast analysis report. So, now here in the total, I'll be selecting the product. So, all the products will be displayed here. And under the total of September 2024, I'll be selecting add a custom group, and here I'll click on picking. So here you will be able to see all the picking will be displayed, and here all the products will be displayed. So here you can see there is a quantity and the cumulative quantity. So now I will show how this cumulative quantity is calculated. So I will open the calculator. Here I will be able to see there is a quantity that is 873. So I'm selecting 873, and I am subtracting this by this quantity where you have a picking of this particular 40. So now I'm subtracting with the 40. So now you will get a cumulative quantity of 833. And similarly, now I'll be subtracting 833 with 180, that is the quantity of this particular picking. So if I click on this, you will be able to see 653 as this particular order. And similarly, if I subtract again with 180, as the quantity is 180, so you will get the number as 473. So this cumulative quantity is running total of quantity at each point. It shows the sum of all the previous transfer quantity and the current transfer quantity. So based on the running number, you will be able to see all this number will be displayed in this particular screen for the product. And similarly, if you want to check the quantity on the cumulative quantity of the product category, you can select it from the product category, and here you will be able to see the cumulative quantity and the quantity of the product. And if you want to view the internal reference, so you can select the internal reference from the filter. So all the internal reference of the product will be displayed here, and you can view the quantity and the cumulative quantity of the product. And if you want to view the reference, then you can click on reference as a filter. So here all the picking of the reference will be shown here, that is all the delivery order and the sale order picking will be shown here. And here based on the quantity and cumulative quantity will be, so here in the total you will be able to see all the reference, that is picking IDs of that particular product. And here you will be able to view the quantity and the cumulative quantity of all of all that particular product. And if you want to view through the location, you can select the location from the filter. So based on the location also you can view the quantity and the cumulative quantity in this particular view. And if you want to view this by the warehouse, so you can just select the warehouse. If any warehouses are there, that will be displayed here. And based on that, the quantity and the cumulative quantity will be shown here in this particular screen. And if you want to select the date based on the quarter or month or week, you can just select that particular week. And based on that, you will be able to see the quantity and the cumulative quantity of this particular product. And this module also supports a weekly and a monthly on the month module also support weekly and monthly report as well. And it has a graphical view and a bar chart and a pie chart view also. So from inside the product, how this will be shown, I'll so inside the so in this particular product, how this will be viewed, that will be also shown. So this module also supports the weekly and monthly report as well. And now I will show how this will be taken up from the product wise also. So we'll click on product and I will go to the product. So if I click on any one of the product, here you will be able to see the view of this inventory forecast analysis report as a smart button here. Clicking on that, this particular stock forecast analysis report will be opening up, and based on the cumulative quantity and quantity measures, you will be able to fetch the report. So, whichever the product you want to take the forecast analysis report, you can just click on the smart button. So, based on that, this stock forecast analysis pivot view will be opening up through the product. And I will go back to the reporting and inventory forecast report. So here this will be also support based on the pie chart, bar chart, and graphical view. So I will click on this bar chart. So here you will be able to see the count in this particular bar chart, and if you want a line chart, you can just select it line chart. So here also you can view, and if you want to have a pie chart view, so you can click on pie chart, so you will be able to see the pie chart view also. And based on that, we will be able to view the stack. So based on all these graphical view, you will be able to see all these things. So it is having a graphical view in the bar chart and the pie chart view also. So this is a daily stock forecast analysis. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.